Okay, this thing's been midgetified. Now to show you guys a little bit of something. Also, I've got no plans on taking this thing out of the box. But I'd just like to say a big thanks to US Cellular. We went there recently, and well, as soon as I find it here we are. I'd just like to give a thanks to my mom's friend who works at US Cellular. We recently went there, me and my grandma, and had to get my grandma's phone replaced as the screen had lines on it. And after about a month or so of dealing with that, it completely stopped working. I was talking to my grandma about how I need to get a key for my iPhone I have, which has suffered severe damage, which I'm going to quickly pull that out. Well, here's the iPhone. So, as this phone has suffered so much damage and is no longer usable, I want to get it fixed, but sadly there's probably no way to do that unless I grab my grandma's phone and swap a few parts. This phone no longer works, and I actually need to get a few things off of it, specifically because I had actually lost a few things on this phone. And with part of that stuff being actual contacts I got from friends I had in the middle school. And several things that I bought and are still on this phone that I need to get off of it. And a lot of important info that I really need to get off of this phone. That within about a year or two I'm going to actually need severely. So I want to get this thing at least fixed sometime soon. I actually dropped this phone, and when it dropped, I guess it must have landed on the bottom, which I've done with the phone I'm recording with several times, and nothing has happened. This phone, however, being a cheapo, as iPhones always are, that's why we went to Samsung, because that is what happened. The phone dropped down and landed like this, and it kind of like spun and landed like this. I actually did something similar with the phone I'm recording with, where the phone landed like this. As I was riding my bike, the phone landed like this and then went like this. And even the screen protector just had one simple scratch on it, and I'm still using that.